Introducing Myers Landscapes, a trusted and proven garden maintenance and landscaping business, Toorak, Victoria. With a 24-year history, it's no wonder this excellent garden maintenance and landscaping business is so successful. With an extensive customer base, flexible hours and work from home setup, it's sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. Boasting an average turnover of more than $200,000 a year, Myers Landscapes services clients in Toorak and surrounding suburbs. Services include garden maintenance, small landscaping jobs, irrigation work, design advice, and soft landscaping on larger jobs. Run by the current owners for 10 years, clients include many private homeowners, body corporate apartments, and schools. This business has earned a trusted reputation for reliability, top quality communication, gardening, and an eye for detail. This business comes with the option of buying a Toyota HIACE diesel van that has already been set up for the job. Whether clients need a gardener weekly or monthly, regular upkeep ensures that their gardens are always looking their best. There's a growing demand for garden and landscaping services as residents take great pride in their properties in this area. The sale includes plenty of tools and equipment, including steel blowers, hedge trimmers, pole saw, and MASPORT lawnmower. The current owners are happy to help with training and handover, including helping with bookwork and account keeping. All set up and ready to go and already very successful, this is an excellent opportunity to run your own business.